Yeah guys, Mr. and we're back over here. So today we are going to see how to create a thumbnail and upload it on your YouTube channel just for free. So you don't need anything, just an YouTube account which is just so simple to create. I have shown in the previous videos how to create this. So this is my channel and its name is Mr.
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा
Movie Clips and Why. This is an example channel, so I will just leave it out, and you need to go and sign up in the canva.com website. So here is it. So here you can choose logo, and from that you can just go to that website, and here it will load up. So it will just tell you how to create a logo from a template, or maybe you can just create a blank document and create a logo from it. So here they have for you section, and the templates are as given in the left side, so you can choose anyone from it and just edit it. So let's see which of them looks good. So here I am searching for camera because that movie clips and my example channel is similar to a movie, which means photography or maybe videography, so camera will be necessary. So let's see any elements. So yeah, in the template section the whole image or whole template is getting, so you can just go to elements and search camera over there. So after searching camera, some results like this would come up. So this is the free section. Here you can see there is written free over there, so that means one is free to use by anyone. So I can just use that one, and I will just create my background color black and the camera's color white, so it looks more cooler than before. So I will just place it as per my necessity, and now I need to enter some text over there. So to enter some text, so I can just go to text section and enter, or maybe just search for a type of text, maybe heading or some glow text or neon light text. So here they have also templates, so you can see there is a template which is also mentioned free over here, so you can just choose that over here. After searching for a while, I just found a text which is named Planet Arrow Arcadia. So this much looks more cooler than the previous one. That was also a good one, but this is more I think nice. So I can just resize it, and maybe I can just rename it by just double clicking on it. So you can choose and select anything like that you want. So I can just rename it as Movie Clips and Why. So it is for our maybe an example channel, so I can just click on it, and you can just edit the text, and I just think that's much cooler. So you have the download option over here. I will select PNG because it's more recommended than JPEG formats, and here they will just make an ad of themselves. So I can just click close on it. Okay, so it is downloaded now, so I can just open studio.youtube.com and just go to my channel's customization column. So here you can just scroll down and go into customization column. From the customization column, you just need to go into the branding section. From the branding section, profile picture, and choose upload. So here you just need to select the file just downloaded. So after doing that, you will just resize the image as per you want, and then just click done. After clicking done, you will just need to publish this. So as you can see, everything is completed. You have successfully uploaded the image over here, the profile picture over here. So in the next video I will just cover up how can you create a banner chart for your YouTube account. This is Mr. NY signing out. Thanks for watching.